So today we're gonna install the short ram air intake from Corksport, and if you have any questions during the installation, please let me know in the comment section. So let's do this. Okay, so here we have the instruction for the short ram intake with the warranty, and we have silicone pipe, clamps, and here's probably the filter. Yeah. Then we have the this is the that's the part where the mass airflow sensor goes through. Oh yeah. This is looking pretty nice. I think it's aluminum. Yeah. And then we have the shifter bushing. And in this box we probably have, like I mentioned it before, the filter. Yeah, I chose the red one because there's small accent of red on my car, and I just wanted to pop out in my engine bay. So yeah, I have the 2010 Mazda 3 2.5 liter with a 6-speed manual transmission. Okay, so let's pop the hood. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. One thing that I really like about this kit is that the part where the mass airflow sensor goes, they give you screws. So the factor one that you can see here, that's coming a little bit rusty, are gonna be replaced with the aluminum one right there. So that's pretty nice. Thanks Corksport. It's a pretty good idea. Okay, so first thing, I'm just gonna make a little startup just so you can hear the before and after sound of the exhaust and the intake. So yeah, let's do this. So first thing, unplug the negative terminal side of the battery, just put it there. So now we're good to go. It's gonna be safe for the ECU and no shorting. So yeah, let's start this. Okay, so first thing, we can start with the mass airflow sensor. Just 2 screws. Keep them, so if you want to put back the stock air filter. So now we can remove these 2 bolts. So after that you can remove the mass airflow from the stock airbox. Like this. There we go. Oh. Yeah. And as you can see there, my throttle body gonna need a little cleanup, so stay tuned for that. So after that you assemble the intake aside, just gonna have to put it back on the throttle body, tight the clamps, and now we're gonna put the mass airflow sensor. Okay, so to remove the little bolt there, you're gonna need a 3mm Allen key. Okay, so take care of this one. It's a bit expensive, so we don't want to. Fuck. Oh, never mind. It went through the dustpan under, so we're good. I'm gonna try it down. Okay, just put it right there. Make sure the seals sit correctly. So you don't want to tighten it too much. When you see it's good. Just gonna need a good seal. See, now we touched correctly. This one is pretty good too. Okay. Okay, so now should be good. So now it's all good. Just put back the clips together. This one there. This one there. This one should go right in. Should be good. And now connect the sensor back. So now we can plug back the battery, like so. Okay, so now sound test. Okay guys, this sounds amazing. Just from the engine bay, the intake sounds really good. You can really hear the air passing through when you hit the gas. And so now we're just gonna make a sound test from the exhaust. guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So see you soon. Bye bye.